Welcome to GeoStudy. In this video, I will discuss about the August month model activity tasks, environment and geography of class 8. If are you the new viewers, please subscribe my channel. So let's start. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. The planetary winds that blows from the tropical high pressure belt to the equatorial low pressure belt is known as option A, southeast trade wind, B, northeast trade wind, C, southwesterly winds, D, northwesterly winds. So correct answer is B, northeast trade winds. Next question. Choose the correct pair. Thunderstorm with torrential rain. Cirrus cloud, that is strong. Here answer is the cumulonimbus cloud. Next B, the process of changing of water vapor into water droplets, evaporation, that also wrong. Here correct is that is called condensation. Next option C, rain shadow region, windward side, that also wrong. That is a leeward side. Next D, the lowest air pressure at the center of the cyclone, the eye of the cyclone, that is correct. So correct answer is D, the lowest air pressure at the center of the cyclone is known as the eye of the cyclone. Next question. The largest freshwater lake in the world is option A, Huron, B, Erie, C, Superior, D, Michigan. Correct answer is Superior. Next question. Fill in the blanks. The local wind that blows over northeast India is dash. Answer is Lu. The local wind that blows over northeast India is Lu. Next question. The line joining points of equal rainfall on a map at a given time is known as dash. Answer is isoheights. The line joining points of equal rainfall on a map at a given time is known as isoheight. Next question. Dash desert, one of the driest place in the world, is located on the western part of the Andes mountain of South America. Answer is Atacama Desert. Next question. Answer the following question briefly. Why is dairy farming developed in the prairies of North America? Answer is prairie grassland is located in vast plain in middle part of North America. In spring, when ice melts, hay, clover, alfalfa, grass and maize are grown here. So this grassland is famous for grazing grounds. For the conservation of animal products like milk, dairy product, modern refrigeration system have been built up here. For this reason, dairy farming developed in prairie grassland. Next question. Write 3 geographical features of world's largest river basin. We know that world's largest river basin is the Amazon river basin that located in South America. Amazon basin. So 3 geographical characteristic is the Amazon basin is located in equatorial climatic region. Heavy shower occurs here throughout the year. Next, the Andes is located in the path of northeast trade winds. Moisture-laden air gets obstructed by the mountain, causing heavy precipitation. The size of Amazon basin is 70,50,000 square kilometer. Next, there are about more than 1,000 tributaries of Amazon. They are quite long. Next question. Question 4. The areas located between the 30° and 40° parallels of latitude in both hemispheres are mostly affected by the shifting of air pressure belt. Explain with suitable example. This question answer is the areas enclosed between the 30° and 40° parallels of latitude in both hemispheres are most affected by the shift of air pressure belt. These areas come in the influence of trade winds in summer and westerlies in winter. The northern tropical high pressure belt shifts northward with the northerly apparent movement of the sun. So in summer, countries along the coast of the Mediterranean Sea are kept dry by the prevalent northeast trade wind blasting from land towards the sea. With the southerly apparent transit of the sun, the northern subtropical high pressure belt moves to the south over the Mediterranean region, and the southwest east westerly winds blows over the Mediterranean coast. So these areas has good rainfall in winter caused by the southwesterly blowing from oceans and seas towards landmass. In this video, I discussed about the model activity task of class 8.